Got a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to check out the cabin filter. There's a little guide if you want to replace it, but we're just checking this one. It's going to be located behind this glove box here. First thing we do is open up the glove box. There's a damper cord right here that we're going to disconnect. So grab it, pull it down. Okay, you can see there's a little slot here where you can take it off. Okay, you can let it go. All right, it's right there. You can just grab it later and we'll go put it back. Now the stopper for the glove box is this piece right here. So what we gotta do is push this piece of plastic up, and then we can lower the glove box down. This gives us access to where the cabin filter is at. See, this is filter door. Press these tabs, squeeze them together, okay? And this will unlock the door. Which is a little finicky to get your hands down in there. Come on. Okay, you're gonna come back behind it. You can take the door off. This other side is slotted, right? But you don't want to put your finger behind here just to pull it off. It's a little tricky. Notice that the airflow on the filter is down. So when you get your new one, pull this one out. This one needs to be replaced. I am going to recommend it. I don't have a new one, but if you need a new one, check the description box. I'll have a link, takes you to Amazon to get a new one. But yeah, I'm going to recommend my customer buy a new one. But you just get your new one, stick it back in here. Try not to bend it up too much, too bad. Slide it in again, down. Right side in first. The slot, lock it in. All right. So the glove box will come off the hinges. You just stick it back on here like that. Then you close it. Then you're gonna come back in here and grab your damper cord and hook it back up. Then the slot there, lock it in, and you're all done. Hope the video was quick and straightforward. If you thought it was, appreciate it. If you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment.